Welcome back to my channel, Liquoram Off-Road. Today we're gonna do the timing belt in an all-4 Subaru Impreza. So we're gonna remove all these covers, timing belt covers, maybe these holes to make some room. This is the timing belt covers, and we have to remove the belt and that pulley. We have to remove the coolant reservoir and the battery. That's what we have to remove to make some room to get to the timing belt. We have to remove that pulley. Now we have everything removed right here. The belt, the AC belt tensioner, the hose right here. So what we have to do now is remove the pulley and the covers for the timing belt. That's what is next. Three covers is 1, 2, and 3, I believe. Like 3 sections. 1, 2, 3 sections of the cover. This is the timing belt. So we have to remove the pulley, the tensioner, that pulley, this tensioner, and that tensioner, and it should come out after that. This is an 04 Subaru Impreza 2.5. So that's the next step. Everything looks alright, nothing broken. But it's time to replace it. It's about 90,000 miles with this timing belt. Now we have the timing belt off. All the pulleys. That's where the water pump goes. So it's all off. Everything is off. Now we have to start putting everything back together. Very careful. Don't break anything, don't damage anything. So that belt, it was getting all, it was like almost 100,000 miles, 90,000 something. This is the 2.5 Subaru Impreza Outback Sport. The timing belt is almost done. So the marks are lining up right here. That's one of them. The other one is lining up right there with the mark. And same thing on this one. It's lining up right here. So that's the way it's installed. So all we have to do is pull the pin. Pin is out. And now we have to put everything back together. So 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. So they are all lining up. timing belt is already done. It works perfect, nothing wrong. It's running like a champion. So that's the way you replace the timing belt for Subaru Impreza Outback Sport 2.5. It's running. No leaks, no problem. Subaru Impreza 2004. Timing belt replaced it. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.